economic uncertainty a lot of people are feeling right now, you should know that whatever's happening at the IRS and the federal government on Wall Street, that's not going to affect your taxes this year.
From changes in tax status to filing for the first time or becoming a first-time parent, tax season gives many people anxiety. Is there any reason to fear filing this year? Here's what we know now.
There were no major changes in tax law last year, so for the most part, it should be a pretty normal, average process.
What are some tips for someone who has changed their tax status?
The first thing that you should know is December 31st, 2024. That's the date that matters. If you got divorced in January of 2025, but you were married at the end of last year, you are likely still filing a married joint or married separately. And that goes both ways. So if you had a child or adopted a child on December 30th of last year, you can still reap the tax benefits for the whole year of 2024. So just remember that the date that matters is December 31st, 2024.
What sort of deductions would you be looking for?
If it's your first time filing, odds are you're going to take the standard deduction. Most people do every time that they file, whether they're young or not. There's a couple specific credits and deductions to look out for. One of them is the American Opportunity Tax Credit. Some others that people miss out on commonly, but they shouldn't, is the Earned Income Tax Credit and the Savers Credit. There's lots of credits and deductions. It's important that you do your research, because if you take the time and look into some of these, they could save you up to thousands of dollars.
What are some common mistakes that people make?
Tax experts told me that one of the most common mistakes, it sounds simple, but it's true, is incorrectly inputting your social security number. So just make sure that you are paying attention to the details when you're filing.